Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the various filter types available in Power BI. So we'll talk about the visual level filter, we'll talk about the page level filter, and we'll talk about the report level filter and how each of them plays out. So let's start with, I've got this page and I'm showing sales for Australia on this page. So I'll take some of the filters I have on this page out. So I'm gonna just select everything, select all. So now you can see I've got all this data where it's showing me data for multiple countries, and you can also see it at the bottom. So now let's say on this I want to put a visual level filter. So let's say I just want to see data for bikes here, and let's say I've got another page and I'll do the same thing here where I will just select all countries or just cancel the filter out, and I'll also clear this filter out. So it's showing me all this data and there is no filter, so it's showing me everything for now. And let's say I just want to show data for bikes here, so I'll just unselect this and just put bikes on. So now you can see I've got a visual level filter. So the other visuals are showing me data for other so not just bikes. So I'll just clear this out because this also has a visual level filter, so I'll clean it out. So now you can see the visual on the left has a visual level filter for bikes. This one has all categories, so it also has bikes, it has accessories, it has clothing. So we have a visual level filter here. We do not have any other filter here, and there's no page level filter at this point in time. So now let's put a filter for Australia. So let's say I just want to see Australia's data. Now that would become like, instead of putting a filter on all of these visuals, I'll just go to the page level filter and then just unselect everything and select Australia. And the moment I do that, you can see it's just showing me data for Australia, bikes, clothing, accessories. But because I've got a visual level filter for bikes only, this is just bikes data. This is data for all financial years. And then again, you can see we've got a page level. So page level filter is applicable on visual level filter, and it implements. And then you have got report level filter, which is the super or the top level filter, so it applies to all the pages we have. So let's go back here again, and I'll put the filter on. So this is US, but this has to be bikes only. So again, I'll just go and select bikes as a category, and you can see I've got a visual level filter just on this one, and on this visual I want to see everything, so I clear the filter out. So you can see now it is showing me data. And then I just want to see data for America, so I'll put a page level filter on. So what that means is so I will put it on US, and what that means, you can see, is that it's only showing bike for United States. You can see it's all United States data, but it also contains more categories. Same for this, and we've got a sales also. Here also you can see we've got data for multiple countries. We've got data. I don't have a visual level filter here. And then it has got bikes for multiple countries, and then it's got this. So now let's say I just want to see data for financial year maybe 2020, and I want it to play across. So here also it's showing me data for multiple years, and same for US, it's showing me data for multiple years. But hey, I just want to see data for 2020. So that would be, instead of going to each of the visual and putting that filter in, I could put a report level filter here. So let me just move out of this. So you can see filters on all pages, and then let's just put a filter on all pages. So that's the report level filter. So this is filter on the page. So you can see filter on a visual, filter on a page, and filter on pages. So now I'll just say F5. So let's go and let's just select that first, and we'll see what happens to the data. So I select FY 2020, and all of a sudden you can see that it's showing me data only for 2020, but all accessories. Here it's just a visual level filter. It's showing me all the components. This is again for year 2020. You can go and see it in sales US. It's the same. So it's showing me filter data for financial year 2020. Then we've got the bike level filter, and it also has a report level filter, and it also has a page level filter on this one. And then let's go to sales all, and you can see here, so it's showing me all countries, but this data is only for 2020. Similarly, for this one, you can see it's data for 2020, and you can see the numbers will match 21 million roughly. So this is US, and you circle over it, and you see the same amount roughly. And then, so essentially, in this video, what we've covered is we've spoken about the various filter types. So we've spoken about the visual level filter, we've talked about the page level filter, and we've spoken about the report level filter. So a visual level filter just filters data on one visual. A page level filter filters on all the visuals on a page. So the data on all the visuals on a page will get filtered based on what you've selected or filtered on the page level filter. And then we have the report level filter, which means all the data on all the pages in the reports will get filtered based on what you put in a page level filter. Report level filter. So I hope you find this video engaging and interesting. And in this video, just to recap, we covered what's a visual level filter, what's a page level filter, and what's a report level filter. So the report level filter will filter most data. Then the next level one is page level. It will filter data for all the visuals on a page. And then we've got a visual level filter, which is just one specific visual. So I hope you find this video useful and engaging, and it's been informative for you. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.